For a long time, credit unions were rated higher in member service than banks were. Over time, that has shifted. We've seen this colossal shift from branch transactions over to digital banking transactions. I mean, we always want to stay really member focused, and with that, we have to be able to service the member as if we were in front of them in the digital space.
I know that the model of credit unions is the very best one for human beings, and so how we bring that to life can truly transform people's lives. Regardless of where you are in your life stage, the digital experience is going to be one of the drivers of how and if people choose you.
What made me believe that it was time for a change for our members, I started seeing digital banking more as an investment.
Where members are at in their financial journey today is not the same place they're going to be at in 6 months or a year. It's very exciting to know that, we can change and grow with our members.
Lumin brings to us the capability to be able to serve members in ways that we haven't before. It is really about enhancing that need for that particular individual like we've never been able to do before, and I'm extremely excited about that.
There are many times where a financial institution implements a product and then never touches it again.
It's a big undertaking for clients to go through a digital banking conversion. We have the knowledge, the expertise, the right people, the right processes to help them through this, very difficult, challenging time.
These guys want to continue to advance. They want to continue to enhance their product. And that's really what Lumin offers. You don't just touch it once and leave it alone. There's constant evolution and improvements and new features that can be added. The digital transformation is a priority for them. They want to do the best job possible. They want to deliver the best services for their members.
We want to make sure that we are making people's lives better. And I do believe that that digital experience can do that. We're not just looking to solve today's problems. What we want to do is ensure that we are partnering with folks that are thinking 5 years, 10 years down the road. This isn't just about implementation. What matters so much to us is to be able to listen to our members, make those changes, and then be able to go back and say, hey, we heard you. This was a real pain point. Here's what we've done. And we believe that that ultimately drives loyalty.
How I feel about this implementation process so far is I think we're ahead of schedule. We're in the middle of user access testing right now, getting ready to move to live test pretty soon. And the experience has been phenomenal.
With the Lumin implementation, their members will now have access to business banking features, including wires that they've never offered through the digital channel before. Their retail members will have access to spend analysis, spend forecasting, and external transfers, account aggregation. The list goes on.
The interface is just absolutely gorgeous. It elicits an emotional response in you. And every chance I've gotten, I've really brought my laptop into our meetings and showed it off. Over time, I began to realize more and more that Lumin was the choice for us, and that's something that I should have done originally.
What we love about this partnership is knowing that it is about how we iterate together and how we continue to think about, okay, we listen to our members, we think of that as our superpower. How do we then combine that with our subject matter expertise to solve their biggest problems? And I believe that this digital experience is going to allow us to do even more of that on a regular basis.